Everyone, welcome to Imperial Rounds quad break number 104 of 1314 UD Ultimate. So this is the break that ended on November 8th, 6:48 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current date and time. Click refresh. It's currently Monday, November 9th at 12:05 p.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here, as per normal. For anybody that hasn't registered our break page, really appreciate it. You can register out there, and we will have more breaks posted where you can actually see what's going on sometime tomorrow, 104. And these are boxes 5, 6, 7, and 8 from the case. So we obviously remember just with a set of break before we open our case, and which we actually just did 103 tonight, which we will post below to reference the box numbers. If you guys are in both breaks here, so 3850 is box 6 or box 5, box 6 was 0168, 0962, and 2938 was box number 8. 8 to 15. So turning this around here. One more time, and we'll get started. Three, 8, 5, 0. The first one. So we got base card of Matthew Shane, number 497 of 499 for the Colorado Avalanche. This one is the ultimate rookie of Lyndon Vade, number 410, 499 for the LA Kings. And our next hit is a short print rookie going out to the Buffalo Sabres of Brian Flynn, number 55 of 99. Brian Flynn, short print rookie. And our next one is the ultimate signature of Boone Jenner, going out to the Columbus Blue Jackets in this one. Boone. 6. 0168. Box 2 over break tonight. We got Marian Gaborik, base, 440 of 499. The Blue Jackets. The ultimate rookie of Stefan Matteau, number 491, 499. Jersey Devils. And not a bad one here. We have a 97 Legend signature set of Cam Neely for the Boston Bruins. They're almost back to back case hit type of cards, and they update debut threads jersey auto where they actually sign the jersey 23 of 50 at Brett Ballmer. The Minnesota Wild. Box 3. 0962. Got a rookie out on the back, so we might have something pretty nice coming up. We got Henrik Sedin out of 499 for the Vancouver Canucks base. Ultimate rookie of Jeff Zakhoff, 133, 499, Pittsburgh Penguins. Number 3. Nice one here for the Montreal Canadiens. We haven't hit too many of these ones. We got the Ultimate Sigs of Carey Price. This one is actually a Group A, and it's one of the very hard case hit, or Group A's to hit. It's been a while since we've hit one of these. This one is going out to the Montreal Canadiens. Carey Price. And the next one is the Ultimate Rookie Auto of Will Acton. 215 of 399. I think he's actually tearing up the German league or something, or whichever, the DEL, or the Danish Elite League or something. And 2938, box number 8. Final box. Another birthday one. Do have a patch. So the base card of Joe Nemberly out of 499. The Edmonton Oilers. Ultimate rookie of Ty McGinn, number 198, 499. The Philadelphia Flyers. And the ultimate rookie auto of Frederick Anderson, number 43. 399. The Anaheim Ducks. And the 2-color ultimate rookie ultimate patch of Mark Arcadello. 100 for the Edmonton Oilers on this one. It's quite the NHL journeyman years. That is for the Oilers. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we do have another 4 box out of the case tomorrow, and box number 4 of Cup from the case